Welcome to PCB Expert Insights with EMA Design Automation. My name is Sarah Wyckoff, and today I'm talking with Jeff Imes, a technical product manager, about design data management. Any ideas or questions you may have for future talks can be submitted in the comments or by emailing us at emamarketing@ema-eda.com. Thanks for joining me today, Jeff. Let's dive in. All right, so first and foremost, can you explain what design data management is and what its function and purpose is?
Hi, Sarah, and welcome everyone. So design data management, which is, it has lots of acronyms out there, such as PDM or product data management, or EDM, which is engineering data management, and also DDM, which is design data management. So at a high level, mostly it is a system for managing design data and engineering processes in one central location. Engineering teams use design data management software to organize product-related information, track revisions, collaborate, manage change orders, generate zero-touch bill of materials, or another acronym, BOMs, for bill of materials, and much more.
Great. So what are some important aspects of data management?
Okay, so once design data is managed, an individual involved or assigned in the development cycle of that product now has the control and visibility on what is happening on that product. And so because a design data management system is typically software-based, those users can definitely collaborate easier. They can do that with their teams in the organization, definitely do tracking and auditing, process workflow control, and approving designs easily. And that's going to make the product development flow much better.
Great. So why do you believe that engineers should care about this topic?
Well, Sarah, I really feel that they should care because if they can't make their design tasks more efficient, another competitive company doing similar products that they have a design data management system will be able to provide their designs much more rapidly and timely and accurately to their customers.
So if not properly addressed, what impact could design data management challenges have on cost and time to market?
Well, one mistake, like referencing an earlier version of a design that wasn't managed and it exists on a share folder on a network drive. This could allow to create updates and release to manufacturing on an incorrect version. So that the manufacturing wouldn't have that visibility of the correct version, but an incorrect data set. You can see where this can have big problems downstream, resulting in redoing or rebuilding a production build. And then huge time-saving issues become relevant, and mostly heavy cost, with this would occur.
So can you talk about your own experiences with issues that could have been prevented if you had the proper data management?
So, well, I can definitely say that I've experienced the unorganized papers on the lab tables, napkins with circuit diagrams and notes, and a working traveler and a kit that got lost. I had so many situations that could have been avoided if I had a system that allowed me to quickly find and capture that type of information. Like test data, for example, having it at my fingertips without, going to have to walk down to the shop floor to track down that information. Oh, and another important one there is going to be editing bill of materials manually in a spreadsheet. That was definitely very error prone and time consuming.
Gotcha. So how can users choose the best solution for addressing data management challenges?
Well, so Sarah, there are many design data management systems out there. I feel as though whether a company chooses an on-premise or on cloud or cloud-based systems, they should research their requirements. I would leverage a software company or vendor that can be very informative and helpful, relaying their experience to that team involved in selecting a design data management system. Also, integration with their current engineering CAD system is always an important feature.
Great. So what are some resources that you would recommend for this topic?
So Sarah, one thing I find is that Google searching is always helpful. Okay, so that's one of the biggest resources I use. But reach out to your electronic CAD software vendor. You'd be surprised the knowledge that others can offer. Referencing a design management topic in LinkedIn, for example, or an engineering news source, it's always very helpful.
What techniques are typically used to manage design data?
Well, one thing that I've noticed is that it's a wide range. Okay, it could be whether it's going to be an email system, which we wouldn't want to use because we know what happens with emails. And again, we have file systems out there, and we put all our files into a folder. We don't know what's going on there. Just like with an email, we don't know what's going on with an email. So as you progress into a design data management system, that's when things start to really put together when it comes to an automated flow within your CAD system. Also, when you're dealing with collaboration, say for example, you want to collaborate not just with somebody in manufacturing because you have to get the design there, but it might be another design group or like a mechanical person. So you might have electronic and mechanical CAD collaboration, which is all automated in those systems. And also on top of that, like when you have a bill of materials, with a bill of materials, you can also have issues around being able to manually enter something. One of the benefits of a design data management system is that it understands, and most of the systems out there do understand, the ability to be able to do configurations. And those configurations are automated. No typing of these kind of bills of materials. It can build it based off of CAD-related data automatically.
Great. So what reasons might prevent companies from adopting a defined data management process?
I think one of the biggest ones is going that I've noticed is going to be where a company's IT department is going to be sometimes because of it's a software system. It might require a certain security, it might be if it, like say for example, if it's on cloud, for example, it's going to have security, virus concerns, especially now in today's world. But that's what I've noticed mostly is that you might have some pushback from those folks in those areas.
Great, awesome. Is there anything else you would like to add on this topic?
I think that from being a personal user of the software and also being involved in a non-design data management approach, I can definitely say that it's more efficient and definitely more helpful to be able to have those kind of systems in place.
Well, thank you so much for chatting with me today, Jeff. And be sure to like and share this session, everyone, and we hope to see you for the next one.
Thank you.